They'll all operate their parachutes given the 3,000-foot drop height today. Everyone's underneath their canopies, and you can see the team coach. He's just done a 180-degree turn. He's trailing that white smoke. Everybody else above him is now going to be performing what we call the collect. That's going to allow everyone in the team to form that loose, non-contact canopy stack above the team coach. He's then going to complete a left 90-degree turn, and he's going to keep his eye on the DZ and communicate with everybody in the stack above him. Be under no illusion how difficult it is to maintain that canopy stack, ladies and gentlemen. Certainly the guys at the top are going to be on their front risers in order for them to maintain that position as they pull down. Team coach to turn left onto his downward leg, and he's asking what the winds are on the ground. So we're getting 7 knots. They will get some penetration as they turn back into wind. And that's them turning left now onto their base leg, just doing a landing pattern effectively like an aircraft would, and therefore landing into wind. As they do their crosswind leg, and they pass the target, they're then going to peel off. Odds go one way, evens go the other. As they're coming in, guys, I'll crawl out their names, give them a big round of applause. They can hear you now. They're very close to the ground. Give them a big shout out. And they peel off coming into land. Sergeant Smith, Flight Sergeant Dave Warwood, team coach for that white smoke. Sergeant Danny Outright, he's just been hopefully the first to land in the factory lock over the more high hole peel off. Then we have Sergeant Sean Kilkenny, Sergeant Chris West, Sergeant Shane Fix, Sergeant Frank Stebbins, and the officer commanding 2009 Battle Force as they made their way into landing.